Hello friend, welcome to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to use GIF, GIF or GIF on your Instagram stories. So do not skip the video, watch it till the end and you will all know how to do it. So let's start it. Firstly, open your Instagram account. Now swipe it from left. Appears on screen, you can see a camera option. You can take a shot or you can also choose it from your gallery. For example, I'm taking a photo. Now appears on screen at the top, you can see a sticker option. Just tap on it. And appears on screen, you can see a GIF option. Just tap on it. Appears on screen, you can see bunch of different GIF are available. You can also search it manually from here. For example, now select any of the GIF. With the help of your fingers, you can zoom in or out. Now tap at arrow option at the down and tap at share at your story. Like this, you can easily share GIFs on your Instagram stories. I hope that video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.